Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I'll be sharing with you something interesting. We'll be looking at some of these two coin you can buy. The two crypto coin you can buy that will be able to make you a huge profit in the nearest future. So before I dive into that completely, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do want to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So what you just need to do, one of these coin I want you to check and also make your close research on it is one of these new coin known as X. When I first talked about X Empire, it was fully ignored. But what happened? It took a very big surge and take a very high move from where it was launched. From where it was launched to its highest of 0.0006. You can see that here. This is the highest. It was launched very low, but it has taken a very high move to 0.006. I personally got a lot of profit from this because I saw what was coming and I invested, though it wasn't much. I invested no less than 40 USD and I made a lot of profit from this. But from the research and information I've gotten, this coin is not a coin that will come to stay down. It is a coin that will take a very high move or possibly reach $1 in the nearest future. All you just need to do is to make your own proper research or personal research and invest on it. But my advice is do not invest more than you can lose. And if you can take a high risk, then you can make a huge profit from it. Alright, then let's quickly look at the second one without delay. The second coin I'm going to show it to you people today is Grape again. Grape is a coin, though it's not a new coin though. Grape is almost a year old in the market. It's almost a year old in the crypto market. And how has it been doing? At what rate was it launched? And how high has it ever gone? Since the day when this Grape was launched, Grape has been doing well at all. It has been declining. It has been declining from the very day it was launched. And I still have a strong hope and a strong feelings on this coin that is going to return back to its feet. Because from the look and from my findings, it's not here in the market to collapse. It's here in the market to stay. So Grape is one of those good coins that you can invest in actually and make a huge profit in the nearest future. But my advice again is do not invest more than you can lose. Alright? So invest wisely. You can also run your own check. Make your own proper research on these very coins before investing on them. You can see I have done my own investment on this Grape and I'm hoping for it to take a proper move so that I can cash out. Alright, it is a coin that you can invest that can take a long time though, but it will definitely be profitable in the nearest future. So all you just need to do is to make your own personal research and invest on this very coin wisely. So I will be stopping here for today. If you do have any question, drop it at the comment section and I will attend to you ASAP. So I'll see you in my next class. Bye.